Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today I'll be learning how to update Picsart app on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to update the Picsart app on your phone, first open up the Play Store app on your phone. And after opening a Play Store app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see the search button available for us. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and when this page appears, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Picsart and search for it. And you can see, guys, the Picsart app is on the top of the list. Tap on it, and in order to update it, guys, if there is the update button available instead of the open, then tap on the update button. In my case, guys, my Picsart app on the phone is already up to date, that's why it does not require an update. But if in your case it requires an update, tap on the update button where there will be the update button instead of the open button, and your Picsart app on your phone will be updated. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update Picsart app on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.